Data science involves many techniques for harvesting raw data and summarizing it into knowledge to share with others. Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm Dr. Kat, and I'm a product scientist. My job is involved with product development and making intelligent product decisions by using data science techniques to detect emerging trends. I find Python a wonderful language to prototype ideas and experiment with new software designs. I live and work in New York City, and when I'm looking for an apple to eat, I go to the grocery store in my neighborhood, which is a few blocks away. Or if I feel fancy, I go to the farmer's market for some organic apples. But our apples come from a farm somewhere kind of far away. A farmer or distributor has made sure that the apple took all the steps along its path from the tree that it grew on all the way to the store. So the job of a data scientist is similar in overseeing the steps involved in moving data from its raw form into its consumable form. It starts from the collection of raw data and preparing that into data samples and packing the patterns you find into reports with charts and such. There are so many steps, and when you have a lot of data, it can become very complicated. So because of that complexity, many people have created software applications and code, including Python libraries, to provide tools to make all of this work easier. Python is a great language to start with, but we still need to know how to think like scientists to go through the steps with precision. The purpose of that is to have the ability to consistently reproduce our work, especially our calculations and our data sampling techniques. We want to be able to verify our findings time after time. That precision is where we can most confidently report our work. The usual workflow for conducting these projects generally starts with asking the right questions, framing the question so that you can define what needs measuring, selecting the appropriate data for measurement, and cleaning that up, and then finding the patterns to extract key points. It takes practice to move through all of these stages seamlessly, and sometimes you'll circle back to select new data and clean that up, and maybe you'll realize you need to do more cleaning.